When you imagine the future of transportation, what do you see? Autonomy, versatility, efficiency, customized solutions. The time for that future is now. Electric compressors built for the heavy-duty vehicles that meet your low and high-volume needs. A wide range of products, 15 cc to 120 cc, 24 volt to 850 volt, 2 kilowatts to 30 kilowatts. Designed for battery cooling and air conditioning. From construction to agriculture, trucking to transport refrigeration, bus to automotive. The future delivered. TCCI electric compressors.